Hey guys, welcome again to Tutorials Hub. This is Amitabh, your teacher. Hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to learn what is a stock group and how to create a single stock group in Tally.erp9. So let's begin. Now, what is a stock group? Stock groups in inventory are similar to groups in accounting master. Stock groups in Tally helps in classification to stock items according to their behavior. The grouping of stocks in Tally enables to identify and report in statements as per stock wise. Similar stocks can be grouped under stock groups according their characteristics, brand, product type, etc. Some of the examples of stock groups are laptops, PCs, music systems, etc. How to open stock groups in Tally.erp9. After opening Tally application from the gateway of Tally screen, choose the inventory info under master tab. Next, under inventory information, displays list of inventory masters data. Number 1 is stock groups. Number 2 is stock categories. Number 3 stock items. Number 4 unit of measures. Number 5 godowns. Number 6 voucher types, and last is copy allocation details. To work with stock groups in Tally, you need to click on the stock group option. Under stock group, it displays two types of stock groups: single stock group and multiple stock groups. From this screen, you are allowed to create, display, and modify single stock group and multiple stock groups in Tally. Through stock groups, it helps you to find the total sales as per brand wise at particular period of time. Now, what is the process of creating a single stock group in Tally? Stock groups in Tally are used to classify the products according their common behavior. To create single stock group in Tally.erp9, user need to go to the gateway of Tally, choose inventory info, then choose stock groups, then go to the single stock group, then click on create button to create single stock group in as per requirements of company. In next screen, single stock group creation, enter the required details. Under name, enter the name of stock group that has to be created in Tally.erp9. Here we have given television as a new single stock group. Under option, choose stock group as primary. Choose yes option under should quantities of items to be added. After entering all the required details, choose accept the updated details. Now we have successfully created single stock group in Tally.erp9. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon for the regular updates.